Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So as you can see, I have completed this part and I have completed this circle, this down. So we start off with our formula. We will start with this and we will apply the formula here. So top, left, down, down, and just watch it out. Okay, so we formed a T here. See, T. So we apply the formula again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so we form this blue, and red, and we apply this formula again. Top, left, right. So we find that the Rubik's Cube is solved. See. Thank you.